Students, this is the last part of first chapter, and the name of first chapter is large number. This is the 15th part. Okay, and all the question in this part related with your revision. This is the part of revision, and all the questions related with your exercise questions. This is standard. This question related with standard numeral. So the question is, write the standard numeral using place values and commas. So in these questions you see that the digit in different places. First you arrange all the digit in a proper way, then after arranging the digit in a proper way, then you put commas. Okay, so the first question is 7 lakhs. Where is 7? 7 in lakhs place. 9 ones. Where is 9? 9 in ones place. 3 10,000. Where is 3? 3 in 10,000. 7 100. So where is 7? 7 in 100 place. Okay. So which is the highest place value here? Lakhs is the highest place value. And which digit in lakhs place value? 7 in lakhs place value. So just write down 7. And after lakhs place before lakhs place value, which period? Before lakhs place value 10,000. So means 7 comma. Okay, 7 comma. So which digit in 10,000 place? 3 in 10,000 place. So just write down 3. Is any digit in 1000 place? Because before 10,000 place 1000 place is there. So any digit in 1000 place? No digit in 1000 place. So what you have to put? Yes, you just put 0 because no digit in 1000 place. Okay, now make comma. Okay, and before 1000 period, which period? Ones period. And in ones period, which is the highest place value? In ones, 100 is the highest place value. So which digit in 100 place? 7 in 100 place. So just write down 7. And before 100, tens place value. So which digit in tens place value? 0 in tens place value, because no digit in tens place value, so you just put 0. And which digit in ones place value? 9 in ones place value, so just write down 9. So how to write in a proper way? 7 comma 3 0 comma 709. Understand how to write in a proper way? Clear it? Very good. Now rest question in the activity part. I give the activity, okay, and you do it. Whatever I explain here, you kept in your mind and solve in this way when your activity start. Okay, now another question, and this question is, take the smallest number and round it off to nearest 1000. Okay, so this is the A part of this question. Numbers are 86 comma 41 comma 732. Next number is 57 comma 92 comma 415. Third number is 81 comma 647, and last number is 37,41,685. So first of all, you have to find out the smallest number. Okay, how you find out the smallest number? See, first check commas in every number. If all numbers have same commas, then see the first digit of left hand side. Here all numbers have same commas, means 2 commas in every number. Now check the first letter of every number, and when we check it, the first letter of every number, that is from left hand side. So numbers are, that is, in first number 8, second number 5, third number 8, and fourth number 3. Okay, so now you understand 3 is the smallest letter. Okay, so the smallest number is 37,41,685. Clear it? Now the nearest thousand of smallest number, and the smallest number is 37,41,685. And when we find out nearest thousand, then keep in mind two place values, that is 100 place value and 1000 place value. And when you converted number in nearest thousand, two rules. First rule, if 100 position or 100 place value is less than 5, at that time what you have to do? You converted 100 position, 10's position and 1's position into 0, and nothing you have to change in 1000 position, because 100 position is less than 5, and rest 10,000 position, lakh position and 10 lakh position all are same. And second rule, if 100 place is 5 or more than 5, if 100 place is 5 or more than 5, then also you converted 100 place value, 10's place value and 1's place value into 0, but you have to add one more number in 1000 place. Understand? Means whatever the digit in 1000 place is nothing matter, but you have to add one more number in 1000 place, and after that whatever the number in 10,000 place, lakhs place and 10 lakhs place, nothing you have to change. So now come in this number is 37,41,685. So here which digit in 100 place? 6 in 100 place, and you all knows that if 100 place is 5 or more than 5, so you have to add one more number in 1000 place, and 100 position, 10's position, 1's position converted into 0. Okay, and 10,000 place, lakhs place and 10 lakhs place remain same. So here 100 position is more than 5. So what you have to do? We just add one more number in 1000 place. So which number in 1000 place? 1 in 1000 place. So we just add one more number, means 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So the exact answer of this number is 37,42,000. Clear it? Understand? Very good. Now the second part of this question, that is the B part. So here also 4 numbers, and numbers are 5, 37, 91, 682. This is the first number. Now second number is 5, 69, 87, 678. Third number is 5, 41, 76, 840. And the fourth number is 5, 43, 78, 916. And you see here, first you have to find out the smallest number. And how? First you check all the commas. Yes, first check commas in every number. Here is 4 numbers, and in every numbers 3 commas. In every number 3 commas. See here, if all numbers have same commas, then see the first digit of left hand side. So what is the first digit of left hand side? If we see the first number, first letter of left hand side of first number, if we see the first digit of number, that is 5. Second number, first digit also 5. Third number, first digit also 5. Fourth number, first digit also 5. Means here all numbers have same commas. Now check the first letter of every number, that is 5, 5, 5, 5. When you find out, when you see that all numbers have same, then move to right hand side. Means before 5, which digit? Before 5, which digit? If we see the first number, that is 3, before 5 is 3. In second number, before 5 is 6. Third number, before 5 is 4. And in fourth number, before 5 is 4. Okay? Means here all left digits are same. So check before 5 of every number, that is 3, 6, 4, 4. Now you understand? Here 3 is the smallest letter. So the smallest number is 5, 37, 91, 682. Means this is the first number. Okay? And when you find out the smallest number, then you have to convert this number into nearest thousand. Now nearest thousand of 5, 37, 91, 682. Here also you keep in mind two rules. As I already told you, again I tell here also. Keep in mind two place value, that is 100 place value and 1000 place value. So first rule, if 100 place value is less than 5, if 100 place value is less than 5, so you converted 100 place value, 10's place value and 1's place value into 0. And when you find out that 100 place is less than 5, then nothing is changed in 1000 place. Okay? And after that, whatever the digit in 10,000 place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place and crore place, nothing you have to change. Okay? Now, second rule, if 100 place is 5 or more than 5, then also you converted 100 place value, 10's place value and 1's place value into 0. But you have to add one more number in 1000 place. Whatever the digit in 1000 place, nothing is matter, you just add one more number in 1000 place. And after that, whatever the digit in 10,000 place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place and crore place, nothing you have to change. So come to the question. Here the smallest number is 5, 37, 91, 682. Okay. So here the 100 digit is 6 and 6 is greater than 5. It's mean 100 place value, 10's place value and 1's place value converted into 0. And whatever the digit in 1000 place, 1. And you all knows here 100 digit is more than 5. So you have to add one more number in 1. So means 1 plus 1 equals to 2. And rest 10,000 place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place and crore place all are same. So the answer of this question is 5, 37, 92, 000. Clear it? Very good. Now next question. Next question is write the Roman numeral of the following, or this is the revision part of Roman numeral. Okay. So here 3 part of this session or this practice time. First part is 3089. 3089. In Roman number, always keep in mind 7 main numbers what Romans used. Okay, Once again I repeat that number. 1 equals to I, 5 equals to V, 10 equals to X, 50 equals to L, 100 equals to C, 500 equals to D, 1000 equals to M. Okay, and you have to use these number. Whatever the number is add, you just add it. Whatever the number you have to subtract, you just subtract it. But always keep in mind these 7 means number. Okay, but all the letters in the capital form. So first A part, 3089 means 3089. How we can write 3089? First you just write down 3000 plus second number is 0, write down 0, plus third number is 8. Where is 8? 8 is which place value? 10's place value. Means 8 into 10 equals to 80, plus where is 9? 9 is 1's place value, means 9 multiplied by 1 equals to 9. So this is the way you just write down the number. 3000 plus 0 plus 80 plus 9. Now you see that how we can write 3000 is any number is there which is shown that how to write 3000? No, the greatest number is 1000, and how we can write 1000? M. So here is 3000. How you can write 3000? 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000. This is the way you write down 3000. Now plus 0 is there, write down 0, plus now 80, and in 80 you see that every digit you can write only 3 times, not more than 3 times. But V, L and D not repeat. Which 3 digit not repeat, or which 3 letters not repeated? Letter V, letter L and letter D. Okay, so how we can write 80? In 80 you see that in the main 7 numbers here is 50, means first you down 50, then plus, if 50 is subtracted from 80, then how much is left? 30. So how we can write 30? 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals to 30, plus 9. How we can write 9? 5 plus 4. Okay, now see that 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 0 plus 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 4. How we can write 4? 5 minus 1 equals to 4, means you just make bracket 5 minus 1 bracket close, then 4 comes. So now you write these number in Roman. See, M, 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 3 times M. 0, don't write anything, any number, because no letter for 0. Okay, now 50 equals to L, then 3 tens means X, X, X. Now 5 equals to V, and 5 minus 1 means I and V. So the exact answer of this part is M, M, M L X X X V I V. This is the exact answer of this question. Okay, clear it? Now this is the other question, and in this question you have to match the following. Okay, here you match the following. So I give two parts. In first part questions and in another part answer. So you have to match question with answer. Okay, so A part question is 1 crore in Indian system. 1 crore in Indian system. This is the first part of match the following. Now B part 5 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 plus 6 0 0 0 0 plus 7 0 plus 2. Once again I repeat 5 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 plus 6 0 0 0 0 plus 7 0 plus 2. Okay, now third question of this part. Third question is that this number in Roman form. This number in Roman form. So which number is this? Here number in the capital letters CDLV. CDLV. Okay, now fourth question of this part is place value of 9. You have to find out the place value of 9 in which number? In 6, 94, 87, 378. You have to find out the place value of 9. What is the place value of 9 in this number? So I already explained you, when place value you have to find out the place value, then it is very easy. And here commas are also here. Okay, and commas always help you. So in this number how many commas? 3 commas. And where is 9? Where is 9? Just after second comma? No, after second comma, not just after second comma, after second comma. Okay, after second comma. And after second comma, which place value? You all knows. So where is 9? After that place value, just after that place value, 9 is there. So you all understand, just after second comma which period start and in which period where is 9. Okay, clear it? Now the other parts are answer. So first answer is bracket 500 minus 100 bracket close plus 50 plus 5. Now second answer is 90 lakh. Now third answer is 5 comma 00 comma 60 comma 072, and fourth answer is 10 millions. Okay, so now you have to match. I will not tell what is the answer of every question, but I just give the hint. In first question first question in the Indian system and you have to find out the answer in international system. Okay, and in second question first you make the commas. When you make the commas, then it is very easy to find out which is the answer of second question. Okay, now in third question first you find out is these numbers in the or in these letters in the descending order. If yes, then you add all the letters. If no, so first you started from bracket and start from subtraction. Okay, like this you find out the answer of third part of the question. Now fourth question is the place value. I already explained how to find out the place value of this number. So here also comma help you to find out the place value of 9. So first you see where is 9. After first comma, after second comma, after third comma, where is 9? And when you find out where is 9, then you see in which period 9 is there, and in that period where in first place or in second place. If it is first place, then it is also easy, and if it is second place, then you also find out the answer. Like this you find out all the answer of these questions. Okay, so this is also an activity. Okay, clear it? Now student, another question of this revision time is that the true and false. State whether the following statements are true or false. Here is also 4 parts of this question, and you have to tell that every question, what is the answer of every question. Is this one, if all the questions in true or in false. So first part of this one, numbers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest. Numbers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest in the descending order. Means this question asks in the descending orders, numbers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest. Is this is true or false? This you have to give the answer. If this is true, write down true, or if this is wrong, then write down false. Okay, now B part of this question. B part is that 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 4, 0, 0 plus 3, 0 plus 6 is the standard form of the number 5, 0, 0. Once again I repeat, 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 3, 6 means whatever the number I ask you, is this number in the standard form, or the standard form of this number is 5, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 3, 6. If this is right, then write down true. If this is wrong, then write down false. Okay, now C part of this question. 87, 46, 310. Once again I repeat the number 87, 46, 310. When rounded off to the nearest thousand, is 87, 47,000. Okay, so here question asks the nearest 1000, and in nearest 1000 you all know which two place value you have to focus, 1000 place value, or before 1000 100 place value. So if 100 place value is smaller than 5, then 100 place value, tens place value and ones place value converted into 0, and nothing you have to change in the 1000 place value, and whatever the digit in 10,000 place value, lakhs place value and 10 lakhs place value, nothing you have to change, you just write down the same number. And after converting, if this number is true, if this number is right, then write down true. If this number is wrong, then write down false. And second rule, if second rule is applied in this question, means if 100 place is equals to 5 or greater than 5, then also you converted 100 place value, tens place value and ones place value converted into 0, and you add one more number in 1000 place. Whatever the digit in 1000 place, you just add one more number in that place. Okay, and rest 10,000 value, lakhs value and 10 lakhs value, nothing you have to change, you just write down the same digit. And after converting this, if this number is right, then write down true. If this number is wrong, then write down false. Okay, now the D part of this question. 3,752,000 is written as, question is 3,752,000 is written as 31,00,752. Okay, means this is in international system, and you all know in international system every period has three values. If you seen this thing, first you seen this thing is applicable here, first you check if this thing is applicable here, then if you find out the three place values in every commas, before first comma, after first comma and after second comma, if you find out that every period has three values, then you check 3 millions. 3 millions means million in single form, because in millions period first place value is millions, so means millions in single digit. And after that, you all understand. So if these all things in a proper way, if you find out these all things in a proper way, then you write down the answer. If these all things in a proper way, then you write down true. If all thing is not in a proper way, then write down false. Like this you solve your true or false question. Okay, now this is also an activity, and this activity related with Roman numeral. So question is that write the Roman numeral of the following. The first part is 167 and another part is 734. So how you solve? I just give a little bit hint, because I already explained how to solve such type of question. So first part is 167. So where is 7? 7 in ones place. Where is 6? 6 in tens place. Where is 1? Where 1 is 100 place, means 167. And whenever you solve Roman numeral, keep in mind the 7 main letters, that is 1 equals to I, 5 equals to V, 10 equals to X, 50 equals to L, 100 equals to C, 500 equals to D, and 1000 equals to M, and these all letters in the capital form. Okay, so here is 167. So first you expand this number, that is 1 in 100 position, that is 100 plus 60 plus 7, and you all know how to write 100, that is 100, and 60 no letter. So first you split 60 also. How? 50 plus 10, because before 60 only 50, and we have a letter of 50, means 50 plus 10 equals to 60. Now plus 7. How we can write 7? 5 plus 2. And how we can write 2? 1 plus 1, means in 7 you have to write 5 plus 1 plus 1. So when you expand this number, numbers are 100 plus 50 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, now all the numbers are in front of you, and you all knows which letter is used in these numbers. Okay, so now move to the B part, and B part is 734. Where is 4? 4 in ones place. Which digit in tens place? 3. And which digit in hundred place? 7. Means 734. Means you have to write 700 plus 30 plus 4. So how we can write 700? Is any letter? No. So again, before 700, which number? 500. So you just subtract 500 from 700. When you subtract 500 from 700, it becomes 200. And how we can write 200? Yes, 100 plus 100 means 100 plus 100 equals to 200. So here is 500 plus 100 plus 100, that is 700. Now move to 30. How we can write 30? Is any letter? No. So before 30, 10, means 10 plus 10 plus 10, and we can write 3 times a letter in a 3 times, not more than 3 times. Now 4. How we can write 4? No letters. Then use comma, bracket, and in bracket 5 minus 1 equals to 4. So now here also all the numbers are seen here, means 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus bracket 5 minus 1 bracket close. Now you have all the numbers, and you all knows the letters which are used in this number. Okay, so do it as many times as you can and practice as many times. If you practice many times, then you know all the questions. Okay, very good. Now another question in this activity is that write the standard numeral using place value and comma. In this question you have to write down in the standard numeral, means question comes in words and you have to convert it into standard number. But how? Using place values. See how. First question, 6 crores, where is 6? 6 in crore place. 9, 10,000, where is 9? 9 in 10,000 place. 3 lakhs, where is 3? 3 in lakhs place. 800, where is 8? 8 in 100 place. 2 tens, where is 2? 2 in tens place. 5 ones, where is 5? 5 in ones place. So in this question, as you see that periods are not in a proper form, first you write down all the periods, and after that write down all the place values, and then when you write down all the place value, then it is very easy to put the digits in a proper form. If no digit in any place, you just put 0, and after inserting all the digits in a proper form, then it is very easy to insert comma. Clear it? Now move to B part. 6 10 lakhs, where is 6? 6 in 10 lakhs place. 8,000, where is 8? 8 in 1000 place. 3 ones, where is 3? 3 in ones place. 1 tens, where is 1 in tens place. 4 lakhs, where is 4? 4 in lakhs place. 9 10,000, where is 9? 9 in 10,000 place. So here also, as you see that first periods are not in a proper form. First you write down all the periods starting from ones period, then 1000 period, then lakhs period, then crore period, and after that you write down all the places, means ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, and crore place. Then you put what digits that is shown in the questions, and again if no digit in the place value, then you put 0 in that place value, and after when you got the standard number, then it is very easy to insert commas. Okay, so do it in an exciting way. Okay, very good. Now again another question of the activity part. Take the smallest number and round it off to nearest thousand. As I already explained how to find out the smallest number. First you see the commas in every number. If commas are equals in every number, then see the left hand side of every number, left hand side of every number. If you got same number in every number, if you got the same digit in every number, then see the before of, means right hand side. When you move from left hand side and goes to right hand side, then first you see the left hand side place, then comes to right hand side. Okay, so if you got the smallest digit, then okay, otherwise again move to right hand side, and after finding the smallest number, then you have to round it off to the nearest thousand, and in nearest thousand keep in mind two place value, that is 100 place value and 1000 place value. If 100 place value is less than 0, then you have to convert it 100 place value, tens place value and ones place value into 0, and nothing you have to change in 1000 place, because 100 place value is less than 5, and after that whatever the digit in 10,000 place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place and crore place, nothing you have to change. But if 100 place value is 5 or more than 5, then also you converted 100 place value, tens place value and ones place value into 0, but you have to add one more number in 1000 place value, and whatever the digit in 10,000 place, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place and crore place, nothing you have to change. Okay, clear it? So here the first question or A part of this question, 7, 14, 92, 761. Second number is 7, 48, 51, 007. Third number is 7, 97, 48, 066. And fourth number is 7, 35, 44, 682. And you all understand how to find out the smallest number, and after finding the smallest number, how to convert it into nearest thousand. Now the B part. B part of this question is 4, 31, 72, 816. Second part is 51, 64, 832. Third part is 8, 11, 79, 468. And fourth number is 61, 42, 103. Okay, so in this question also, first you see the commas. How many commas in every digit? I just give hint. Here you see that two numbers has 3 commas and two numbers have 2 commas. So which one is smaller? 2 commas. So here is only, you check only 2 numbers. Okay, and Now in two numbers, which one is the small? You check the smallest, you check the left hand side of the number, then you find out the smallest number, and after finding the smallest number, it is very easy to convert it 1000 nearest 1000, because I already explained how to convert it in nearest 1000. Okay, so do it and practice as many times as you can at the home. Okay, very good. So there are 6 parts in this question. So first one is dash help in reading and writing large number. How and who help you to writing and reading large number? Yes, who help you? Just use your mind. Who help you in reading and writing large number? This is the first part. Now second part. Every digit in a number has a dash value and a dash value. Understand? Means there is two types of values. You all knows, and I already describe you which two types of values. Okay, so in every number there are two types of values. So which two types of values? This you have to put in this fill in the blanks. Okay, now third part in this question. Third part is that number can be written in dash form or dash form. So students, you all knows two types of forms. Okay, and in this question you also put those forms. Okay, now the fourth part in the fill in the blanks is that we can read and write numbers. Using two different systems. We have two types of number systems. Okay, now you have to fill the two types of system. Okay, so the question is that we can read and write numbers using two different systems, dash system and dash system. Which two types of systems are there? Okay, and you have to fill these fill in the blanks with those systems. Okay, now the fifth part of this question, and fifth part is that in the dash order numbers are arranged from dash to the greatest. Means first you have to write down the dash order where you have to arrange the number from dash to the largest. Okay, this is the fifth part. Now the sixth part, and in this part, in descending order, numbers are arranged from dash to the dash. In this part, you arrange in descending order, you arrange the number from where to where. You all know descending order. and in descending order how numbers are arranged from where to where. Okay, so these all are 6 part in fill in the blanks. Okay, solve the following. First part, CDLXXII plus CCCXLI. So what you have to do, first you convert these letters in Hindu Arabic system. First you find out both the letters. First one is CDLXXII. First you convert these letters in Hindu Arabic, then you convert another letters. Another one is CCCXLI, and when you find out both the Hindu Arabic, then you add both the Hindu Arabic numbers, and whatever the answer comes, you just converted that answer in Roman number. Okay, this is the first part. Here you just adding Roman numeral. Now next part, and this is subtracting, means subtracting Roman numeral. In this part you subtract the Roman numbers. Question is CMXLIX minus DCCLXIII, means you have to subtract these two letters. Okay, first what you have to do, you convert both the letters in Hindu Arabic system, and after converting both the letters in Hindu Arabic system, then it is very easy to subtracting. Okay, first you converted both the letters in Hindu Arabic system, then you subtract, because then it is very easy to subtract it, and after subtracting whatever the answer come, you again converted Hindu Arabic system in Roman numeral like this. And in Roman, how to subtract? You just think one thing in whenever you subtract or whenever you add, first you see that letters in the descending orders or not. If letters in the descending order, then you just add all the letters. But if letter is not in the descending orders, means some letters in the descending order and some in ascending, then where descending is used, you just add, but where small letters come first. Okay, when small letter means, if small letter means the letter which has a small number is come first, then the greater letter, then you use minus. Okay, like this you subtract. Okay, clear it? So I hope you all enjoy this chapter very well, and now your first chapter complete, and I hope you all understand this chapter very well. Okay, bye.